Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all having brilliant, fantastic, amazing days. I'm here recording another video. Today I'm going to be discussing, should Forex trading be my future career? And the title that I've written here that I'm going to be putting up for this video is, 100K months, stability, risk versus reward, a few of the big concepts and ideas that I've been speaking about with, individuals within my community that are thinking about going from the 9 to 5 jobs to trading full time. Okay. And a lot of them are making twice or 3 times as much as they would be in their 9 to 5 job, but they still, for these reasons in particular, are going to be sticking with their 9 to 5 job. Okay. And then having trading as a secondary source of income. So I'm going to dive into it. It's something for me personally that I've been, seriously considering whether I do, as soon as I finish university, should it become my career? Okay. And should I be pursuing this, full time, or should I be looking for a 9 to 5 job? Okay. And then doing this on the side. So let's dive into it. So fortunately, I'm in a position now that I've been able to make more than I would be making at a 9 to 5 job, for the first 3 or 4 or 5 years, in the last 2 years with FXLondon. Okay, with the education that I provided, with my own personal trades, with FTMO, my Forex funds and the prop trading, okay, my own personal, trading on IC markets, Vantage FX and Euro Trader as well. So I've been able to make more, with those different streams of income, okay, than I would be able to make at a 9 to 5 job. And I'm in a very fortunate and blessed position that I'm now able to say that at 21 years old. Okay, but here are the few things that I'm having to consider, and I thought I'd jump on here, record, and share. So the first thing that I've been having to consider is consistency. Okay, trading is not consistent. Okay, a 9 to 5 job, you know what your salary is, you know what you're getting per month, you know what you're paying in tax. Okay, and the hours that you put in equates to the amount of money that you make. Whereas with trading, okay, some months it's up, some months it's down, some months it's break even. Okay, it's not consistent at all. Okay, you can make twice as much as you do in 1 week, okay, versus the next week, and the following week you could lose it all. Okay, it's not very consistent. Now, of course, as a trader, you are trying to focus on consistency. You're trying to build in within your strategy, within your daily trading plan, okay, a little bit more of a consistent notion. And of course, if you are looking to do this full time, you are going to be a more consistent trader than someone that starts out. Okay, and you would hope, of course, that you're not going to be making, 10 grand 1 week, losing it all the next week, okay, and losing even more the week after. One of the most critical things when it comes down to should you be trading full time and this should be your career is consistency. Now you need to think, of course, what position you're at in your life as well. Okay, for me, I'm 21 years old. I'm at university. I've got very, low levels of cost. Okay, I'm paying rent for my student accommodation. I've got to make sure I can eat and, travel and, have a bit of a social life as well. But other than that, I haven't got to pay for a family. I haven't got a mortgage to pay for, I haven't got any big overheads, okay, like other individuals do that, have families or, other businesses that they're running. Like consistency is one of the biggest things to think about. And I might even make another video on this in further depth, a 15-20 minute video just on consistency, okay, and how individual traders can, try and become more consistent, okay, but also develop on the fact that, trading isn't consistent, okay, and you are going to have losing weeks, losing months, okay, even losing years, okay. The biggest hedge funds in the world, okay, don't always make money. Okay. Some of them, lose investor funds. Some of them go down and go under. Some of the best people in the game, okay, don't make money every single, week, month, year. Okay. So as retail traders ourselves, we can't expect to do the same either. So that's the first thing. And tying in with that, I've written here stability. Okay. The fact that trading is not stable. Okay. Now, the third thing that I've written here is an account size. Okay. Something you need to consider as well. You need to have enough funds, okay, to be able to make good profit. Okay, you, for instance, living in the UK, okay, couldn't be trading full time on a $10,000 account. Okay, it would be incredibly tough to trade full time, with $10,000. Okay, because the percentage return that you need to make every single month, okay, would be hugely high for you to be able to withdraw that money, use that money, spend that money to live. And that's why I've written it down as the third thing, that you need to have a large enough account size. The percentage return that you need to make good profit isn't astronomical. Okay. You have a $10,000 account size, you might need to be making 100% return to make the same amount as you would making 1%, okay, on a, in $1 million account. Okay. Now, moving on, the fourth thing that I've written here is a more positive note. Should it be your career? Okay. And these are the reasons why I'd say, yes, go for it. Okay. Give it a really good shot. Travel. Okay, you can do it remote. You can travel the world and still be trading. Okay, as long as you've got your laptop or your phone and you've got Wi-Fi or 4G, internet access essentially, you can do it. So you can do it remote, you can do it anywhere. Again, it gives you flexibility, it gives you freedom. You don't, for instance, get paid for the hours you work. Now, as I mentioned earlier on at the start of the video, you could be working 5 hours a week if you had really, really good trade setups. Okay, you set and forget them. You're perhaps a swing trader, okay, and you've got a large enough account size that you only need to be bringing in 1 to 2% a month. You could essentially work 5-6 hours a week. Now, the seventh thing that I've written here is scalability. Okay, there is a potential with trading, of course, that you can scale month on month, year on year. You can scale with the amount of capital that you have. You will scale with the skill that you have. You will get better and better and better. Okay, and the trajectory can be really, really positive as long as you're constantly self-reflecting on yourself. Okay, your ability and your performance. There is the ability there to be able to scale. Now, the final thing that I've written here is community. Okay, one of the reasons that I'm really considering trading being my future career, okay, is the community that I've built, the community that I've got, FXLondon. Okay, it's a brilliant community. Okay, I love all of the members that are inside. Okay, we've got some really, really strong individuals, some really solid traders, and some really good friends of mine actually that I've built over the years from jumping on Zoom calls endlessly, every single day. Okay, and the idea that everyone wins. Okay, this is not an industry like fashion. Okay, or like some of the other industries out there. I'm struggling for examples, but fashion is probably one of the best ones, where everyone's competing with each other. Okay, to have the best idea, the best lineup. In trading, okay, everyone can get in the same trade, especially on a retail level. Okay, and everyone can win. And you can't say that for many industries. Okay, so that's one of the leading factors for me in why I really want to pursue trading full time, is because of the community that I've got. Okay, and it's just going to continue snowballing, and it's going to continue growing. Okay, and the number of people that we have and I work with and I collaborate with, it's only going to get better and better and better. Okay, and everyone wins. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's all made sense. But yeah, it's a really, really interesting one. Should you be trading full time? I think the two biggest leading factors are consistency, okay, and the freedom, the flexibility, and the scalability. Okay, those are the biggest things that I think, that I've discussed. Okay, consistency is not consistent. Okay, and if you need consistency within your life, which most people do as they grow up, okay, and as they get older, because people start having families and bigger responsibilities, months are not consistent. Okay, even if you're a perfect, brilliant trader, you're one of the best. Okay, you're never going to have really the same month every single month. Especially not year on year on year. So that's a really huge factor, and especially freedom and scalability. They are the dream essentially that trading provides. Okay, that you can be doing this anywhere. You've got freedom. You can wear what you want. You can do what you want. You can structure your day how you want. Okay, and it can scale, because as you get better and as your account sizes grow, then you will make more money. But that's the video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. As always, all of the community group chat links are down below. Okay, all of my personal profiles are down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.